front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll all the way down to tap on Font. And select one of those font styles by clicking on the best one for you. You can buy one or pick one of the free ones. Wherever you decided, click on the green button to buy it or download it for free, and then the same one to apply it. When you finished, simply go back. As you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default font style, you can always do that by accessing the same settings. And this time select Font Settings here instead of Font Section. This way you can hit Default over here and go back to it within seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!